Namaste. These Fridays, I intend to teach basically how to pronounce the mantras, and the mantras should start with the day of the week. For example, Sunday has its own mantra, Om Adityaya Namaha. Monday has its own mantra, Namah Shivaya. So each day we will be doing a particular mantra, but the main aspect of doing this mantra is to remember the principles of Nadi Yoga, which is a very special way in which we do breathing with our nose. And then we produce what is called Surya Akasha. That can only be produced if you do microtone chanting. Now, I was 12 years old when I learned that, really, from my teacher, and I've been practicing it for now 74 years. So at 86, I still can produce within two and a half octave of sounds. And the main reason for this special workshop is to realize that different ages, different mantras are most effective. For example, if you are a child, naturally you want to do mantras that give you more energy, playful uh, feeling, and also a specific Shakti oriented deities. All mantras have a deity behind it. You see, mantra is the name of the deity, and form is what is a yantra or a figure, whether a male deity or a female deity or a child deity. They are all uh, yantras. Yantra means that which you can see. Mantra is that which you can hear. So, because there is an anatomical reason for that. We have two hemispheres in our neocortex, the new part of the brain. One is sound oriented and one is visual oriented. So, to engage both of them in a mantra becomes very necessary to complete what is called a tantra. Tantra is composed of two things. One is yantra and the second is mantra. When both of them are done properly, you really get the effect immediately. In Nadi Yoga, we really learn to absorb the Surya Akasha so that we can peacefully reach a stage of meditation. So that is my intention. I will give you one example of a mantra. For example, on a Thursday, today happens to be Tuesday, uh, but I will do a mantra for Thursday, which is dedicated to the Guru. All of us have a Guru in us. And if we, on a Thursday, chant this mantra in the morning, just upon waking, look at your palm and chant this mantra. If you can do it with the microtone chanting, you will get immediate effect. Otherwise, it will still have some effect, but gradually it will accumulate. Millions of people have been doing mantra without any principles of Nadi Yoga, and still they have got an effect. The only thing is that it's much, much more easily realized when you make that sound which is filled with overtones and undertones. That's the way our own chakras light enters through our micro chakras, and then our body enjoys the feeling, the energy. This mantra is called Guru Mantra. I'd like you to close your eyes and just listen. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. When each day you start the day with the mantra of the day, for example, today, this Thursday mantra is for the Jupiter, and Jupiter is the guru of gods. This is according to the Greek mythology. In India, we have realized that place of the guru is always on a Thursday. There are certain things we do on Thursday. There are certain things we do on Friday. So it's not only the age bound. There are some activities that are best done on certain days. Since there are all 7 different days and there are hundreds of mantras that you can choose from, I will teach the ones that are most effective because I have done them myself. And then I have over 3,000 students who have done them. So I have a statistic background in selecting the mantras that are really effective. Namaste.